The future of air combat is here. Boeing's cutting-edge F-47 stealth fighter is set to revolutionize aerial warfare as part of the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. This sixth-generation aircraft isn't just an upgrade, it's a game-changer designed to secure U.S. air superiority for decades to come. Built with advanced stealth technology, the F-47 features a unique fuselage design and next-gen materials that make it nearly invisible to enemy radar. Its powerful engines allow it to cruise at supersonic speeds without afterburners, extending its range and effectiveness in deep strike missions. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in its combat systems, analyzing battlefield data in real time and assisting pilots in making split-second decisions. The open architecture design ensures that the F-47 can continuously evolve, integrating new technologies without requiring a complete systems overhaul. As the centerpiece of the NGAD program, the F-47 is designed to operate alongside unmanned aircraft, acting as a command hub for drone squadrons. These loyal wingmen will carry out reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and strike missions, reducing risks for human pilots and enhancing overall combat effectiveness. With its advanced networking capabilities, the F-47 will coordinate multiple platforms, creating a seamless and adaptive battlefield strategy. Operational flexibility is another key advantage. Unlike previous generation fighters, the F-47 requires fewer personnel and less infrastructure, making it easier to deploy worldwide for rapid response missions. In high-threat environments where speed and adaptability are crucial, this fighter ensures the U.S. maintains a decisive edge. The introduction of the F-47 marks a new era in aviation. More than just a powerful combat aircraft, it represents a shift toward an intelligent, interconnected warfare system. With its combination of stealth, speed, AI-driven decision-making, and drone integration, the F-47 is set to redefine air dominance in the 21st century. What do you think about the F-47? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on next-gen military tech.